This is a 17 by 60 South Bend Tornado engine lathe. We're going to come over here, we're going to go through the headstock ranges first. As you can see, you have forward, off, reverse, then you have fast and slow for main motor speeds. First we're going to start off in forward and slow. As you can see, you have clutch and you have brake. Right now we are in brake. Come up here in neutral. All the way back, we're going to spindles and engage. See the brake works on a 9. Come over here, switch your range. Stop it immediately, turn it off, change your selector switch from forward over to reverse, turn the main motor back on, and now you're in reverse. This unit does have some wear in the bed up here. There is some wear on the ways. There is a little bit of wear in the apron too. This unit also has a one-shot lubrication system, which does work. As you can see, we have really nice oil on the ways. This unit does not come with coolant. It comes with your tailstock and it comes with a collet holder. It does not come with any collets, and it comes with your 3-jaw chuck. This is our South Bend Tornado.